All right, so now we're going to get rid of that free shipping option because obviously that doesn't make any sense for us to keep a free shipping option available unless it meets the criteria that we specify. So what we're going to do is we're going to build a rule that only applies free shipping for anything over $25. Now, of course, if you never want to offer free shipping, you can simply go in and hit the delete button there, and then there'd only be an option for paid shipping regardless of time or whatever unique to your business. But we're going to, again, do free shipping over $25 order.
So in order to do that, we can add conditions of when this shipping service should show up. And we can add those conditions by clicking the configure component. And this interface might seem a little intimidating. Again, we're going to walk through just the basics of it, but it's very flexible and allows you to add a whole bunch of different rules. So the first thing is you have to kind of think of this as if this is the case, then we want this to happen. So the conditions are if this. So if the order is over $25, then we want to add the shipping service to the order. And the shipping service is, of course, that free shipping option. So if this does not evaluate to true, or if it does, it's not the case, and so if it's $20, then the shipping service will not ever run or never be displayed. So we'll click the add condition button. And this add condition is going to allow you to select the condition you want to add. And we want to add an order amount comparison because we want to check the order amount and compare it to see if it's over $25. There are a whole bunch of different options here. And this is what makes Drupal Commerce so flexible. But in this case, it's simple. We just want an order amount comparison. So we'll go ahead and select that. The data selector is what you are getting your data from. In this case, we have to pull the data from the order because it's the actual amount of the order. The operator is if you want to look to see if the value is greater than or less than. In this case, we want to select greater than. And for the order amount, we want $25. So what this is essentially doing is it's checking if the order, as you can see up here, is greater than $25. We'll click Save. And now you can kind of see how this works if you just think of it this way. You can basically say if the order amount is greater than $25, then we want to add the shipping service for free shipping to the actual shipping page on the checkout. So let's save this page. And once the rule is created, we can go ahead and test this. You'll notice that when I refreshed, the free shipping option is no longer there. Let's go back to the actual checkout or the cart page. And you can see I only have $16 worth of products.
So what we're going to do now is we want that rule to trigger. So we're going to make our cart amount greater than that $25. So by adding 2 of that product 1 to our cart, now our total comes to $32. We should have the option for free shipping. And hopefully after we go through setting up our billing and shipping here, or billing, and shipping information, we'll see now that we do have a free option available for shipping, which obviously was not available prior to having a total less than $25. You could also, we won't show this, but just know if you do want to offer only free shipping options, you could write rules that do the exact opposite for your standard and rush, saying anything less than 25, don't show those shipping rules and only show the free shipping one. So just you have to invert exactly what you did on the free shipping one.
And essentially the way to invert that is you could do one of 2 things, and we'll show it just quickly, and then you can decide if it works for your store. Is you could either come back into your condition, and you would want to make this for the standard and the rush shipping, or whichever one you needed. And you could either click this negate button, which would essentially just invert that, or you can of course just do if it's lower than $25. Essentially, it'd probably be better to negate it just in case you had the rare case that it was exactly $25. Then the shipping might not show up the way you would expect it to. So that's it for adding your flat rate and shipping option, adding your free shipping option.